Hey everyone, welcome to SkippyTube channel. Today I tell you about the inductor. The first I show you the symbols. If you see the capital L or this symbol on the schematic diagram or circuit board, you know this is the inductor. Now I want to say to you what is that inside the component. Inside the component have a core, and core is non-conductive like the wood, glass, plastic, and have a wire. This is the cable, but suppose this wire wrapped around the core. This component make the electromagnetic fields, but too much hard to explain, and I suggest to you, if you want to get the more information, you can go into Wikipedia website and find this component. And if also like me English is second language, you can find your language in there, because Wikipedia is multi-language to easy understanding. And now back to video and say what does it do. This component used for does it like anti-noise filter and coil. That component have many types, but I have a 3 example about this component. The first, if sometimes use this component on the loudspeaker ways. When you see this component on the loudspeaker or audio, you know this anti-noise. When, for example, iPhone 6 backlight ways, you see that this component with this symbol FL. FL is filter inductor. That's make the filter. And sometimes on the again iPhone 6 backlight use this component, but on the top I show you in this board, you see that's the inductor, but have a white circle on the top. That show you the side. When you remove that one and put the new one, you need to know which side have a white circle and put the right side. And another one is triple inductor, and you see the black circle on the top. And when you remove it, for example, this black circle left side me, and when you remove it and put the new one, you need to know that's right side. It means circle, black circle on the left side, and that's it. And that's I want to talk about the coil, COIL. That's a backlight, needs a high voltage, but battery just make the 4.2 volts. For that reason, you need the component to make the high voltage. That coil does it. On the left side, you see the black circle, and when is the black circle some side, you know that side is have a voltage, battery voltage, or the convert battery voltage. Look like if I explain you about this component, for example, iPhone 6 backlight ways, anode ways, voltage comes from here, and that side said VCC main, and voltage in here 4.2 volts. And when passes this component, other side convert to 30 volts. And if you have a iPhone 6 schematic diagram, when you open find the, I think is page 14. You find the backlight ways, and on the top is written information about this component. Is convert the voltage for 2 volts to 30 volts, because backlights need a high voltage, and this component bring that voltage to LCD for turn on the backlights. That's it. Now I want to say how to test this component by multimeter. The first, put the selector on the buzzer test. I said before, buzzer test symbols like the Wi-Fi, but this other side. And now, and said to you, inside the component have a wire, and wire is connected. When you put the props on the two-sided component, you need to hear the beep. If you hear the beep, it means that this wire is connected. If doesn't hear, it means that is burned. You need to remove and put the new one. But this is the note. You need to check the where side is have a black circle. That's it. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching, and see you next video.